Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is July 17th when I'm recording this, and just wanted to make a reminder that I have a webinar up at simplertrading.com YouTube page, and also my own Profit Pilot YouTube page. If you guys want to look it up, Market Update, Broadening Market Strength. It was about a month ago that I recorded this and put it up, and since then we have been seeing a lot of really great names. A lot of positions are moving, and we are starting to see broad-based support. So really thrilled to be seeing that, and definitely want to make sure that you guys go back and check out some of these videos so that you can see the track record that I have and seeing that I was able to kind of start calling this and show that the market is warming up. Other than that, if you guys want to come over to simplertrading.com/Moxie, you can check out anything you want from the things I put out there. And then as far as the markets, just a couple of things I want to show about the indexes. The Dow has done pretty well. I mean, as far as not falling apart, because everyone keeps thinking that this market is not good or whatever. And I think it's on the verge of actually starting to break out. Now, again, I'm not trading the Dow or anything like that. Obviously, it's been just a quiet sideways situation, but this looks really good. And it sure looks to me like it is trying to break out on a longer term basis. We can also see things like, look at the semis, and the semis look very much like the NASDAQ. And what you can see here is if you draw a channel, and you can see that where's the 50% mark of this channel from here to here. And you can see that what is price been doing? Well, oscillating back and forth between this channel. And yes, it kind of got up here at the upper range and it's staying in there, but it's also staying above the 50% mark. Now, this is all well and good, and maybe at some point it's going to be too much, and at some point it will need to take a breather. We'll just have to figure out when that is. But overall, if you look at this, it's looking very good, very healthy. And you could also then look at the IWM and say, maybe this is just beginning, something like that. Because again, we look at the IWM, and there was just a bit of a flag into support, and now we're breaking up and out. So the fact that the IWM is starting to really show some strength, and that I am starting to see a lot of names starting moving and participating and coming up off of their year-long bases, this is a good market. So just make sure you find your spots to get in and participate. If you guys need help and suggestions and ideas, well, come over to the Moxie Indicator Mastery, the trading room, and we'll see you there. That way we can kind of all trade together, and I'll show you how I find these things and how we work with the market. All right, thanks guys, and we'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.